Here's our coffee center at the Silverthorne Townhome. We have a Keurig 1-cup coffee maker with several varieties of different coffee, and we also have an ordinary coffee maker whenever you want to make a big pot. And as you can see, we have coffee and filters for that one too. This morning I'm going to try out the Keurig coffee maker, and I am going to have some Newman's Own Extra Bold. It heats the water and presses it through that cup that I just put in there, and the cup's got the coffee in it. So it's kind of like an espresso machine, except it's a coffee machine. You get yourself a cup of coffee, not a strong cup of espresso. We love coffee, and wanted to share our coffee loving with you guys. So you guys come enjoy some coffee at the Silverthorne Townhome.